Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation demonstration for Dazuma's vintage industrial wall sconce. The product package includes 1 screw accessory pack, screws, screw anchors, and wire connectors, 1 light tube, 1 vintage industrial wall sconce, Step 1. Remove the 2 black retaining screw caps from the product. These secure the mounting plate. Keep them in a safe place. Step 2. Remove the product mounting plate. Step 3. Loosen the black knob on the light tube socket at the end closest to the product's power cord. Do not remove it. Step 4. Unscrew and remove the black knob on the light tube socket at the end farthest from the power cord. Step 5. Remove the retaining ring from this light tube socket. Step 6. Remove this light tube socket, the one at the end farthest from the power cord. Step 7. Take out the retaining ring removed from the light tube socket in Step 5. Step 8. Install the retaining ring removed in Step 7 together with the product light tube. Make sure the light tube's electrical contact ring faces inward. Connect the light tube's electrical contact end to the socket closest to the power cord. Then rotate the light tube until it is fully secured. Step 9. Reinstall the light tube socket, removed in Step 6. Align the socket's locking tab with the retaining tab. Step 10. Reinstall the black knob, removed from the light tube socket in Step 4 and tighten it. Step 11. Reinstall the retaining ring on the light tube socket. Step 12. Retighten the black knob on the light tube socket that was loosened in Step 3. Step 13. Place the product mounting plate at the desired installation location. Mark the mounting points and drill the holes. Step 14. Insert the 2 screw anchors from the screw accessory pack into the drilled holes. Step 15. Position the product mounting plate, then install the 2 screws from the screw accessory pack. Make sure they are aligned with the corresponding holes. Step 16. Connect your own push-in quick wire connectors or wire connectors to your power wires, neutral, live, and ground. Step 17. Connect the product's power wires to your supply wires. Connect the product's blue wire to your white neutral wire, the reddish-brown wire to your black live wire, and the yellow wire to your bare copper ground wire. Before making the connections, strictly confirm once again that the power to the installation area has been completely turned off. Step 18. Place the product over the mounting plate. Then reinstall the 2 black retaining screw caps removed in Step 1. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.